Yeah, I just want to say that is very difficult to do rice pong, and also that, yeah, I guess it's one thing that we don't appreciate because we could just put it in that machine and press on and watch TV. But over there, it's a community thing. Like, it's not just one family; it's many families coming together to help each other. And so I thought that was really special about the rice pong. But let me know if you want to see the full video. We can arrange something. All right. So for this first song, I'm gonna need my DJ to help out. So everybody, give it up for DJ Van. DJ Van. All I'm gonna need you to do is just participate with me a little bit. So we're gonna hit that beat. We're gonna drop it like it's cold. All right. Turn that up just a little bit. All right. Can you hear the beat? Kind of? Okay, good. Just a little bit more. A little bit more. A little more volume on that. Okay. All right. So it goes. ผู้หายเตี้ยเต้เน่หายโกเต้เตี้ยเต้เตี้ยเต้ผู้หายเตี้ยเต้เน่หายโกเต้เตี้ยเต้เตี้ยเต้ที่เราเชียร์อยู่ที่จ่าที่จะกาปาสงากันเล่นเสน่ห์กันท่องเปิดเตี้ยเต้ละหายเตี้ยไปหายเป็นงงชิมวยได้เชิญยังไม่เลิกไม่เฉยเลยก็ถูกเชิญโอเคขออยากจะเล่นนอนช่วงรุ่งช่วงมองเป็นเชียร์คือชิมวยเธอเจลีอีกถึงชีเต้เกิดเธอตกจะเด็กจะดีดีไปหมดจอมเกิดละหายเตี้ยละหายเตี้ยละหายเตี้ยไปยอมไม่อยากหายเน่จะตีลงไปขวดจะไปขวดเซ็กโตลงฟ้าขวดจะเช็คไปที่มัวนุ่มดีแต่สีเย่งงเป็นสื่อปวดรู้เองฉันรู้ดีกับอีจงมองตัวกูยิ่งเซ็งจะโลจะรัวจะโอเคจะมัวจะโอเคจะเกิดจะเชียร์ดีจะรักจะมองหายอยู่เดินชนใส่ที่บนในใจตัวอยากได้เชิญชิโป้ชิโก้จะเดินที่ฟ้าเปิดอีลูกจะโตไปสักกี่ก่อนในทะเลที่ชวนโตเตี้ยเต้โกเต้เธอผู้หายเตี้ยเต้เน่หายโกเต้เตี้ยเต้เตี้ยเต้ We all the refugees and breathe life destiny our level easy rapping our community we breathe two languages English and your management rock like heavy metal our music is heavy metal inspire the instrumental retire from the desire to light up our last panel so yo shout out to all the MCs up in the house shout out to all the people in the jungles of loss this tragedy tragically before was had to be recorded always wanted a country we could never afford it inspired by survival we will never forfeit yo the mind expands from the camp to Thailand Syracuse and why with the blink of an eye I'll rise from Twin Cities repping the mic Town, Mississippi, down Total Town I picked up a mic picked up a pen cause pencils were not allowed consider a weapon consider the savior the truth travels in the ink scarred onto my paper some many families suffer that's the former gang members coming back for the positive we got to uplift when I say dear day you say go day dear day dear day when I say dear day you say go day dear day dear day everybody clap your hands like this yeah everybody clap your hands like this yeah everybody clap your hands like this all right DJ man you're good I guess we were next that was good though I just want to say that this necklace is something that I'm planning to wear in my performances a lot more. It's a wooden necklace inspired by the soul, right? So the soul lock necklace, and my friend made it out of wood, handmade it, and it says hip hop on it. But anyways, come check it out later if you wanted to see a closer look. But yeah, it's one of these ideas of how do we, in this society, in this American society, how do we still represent our culture and our people? And so for me, I do it through hip hop. I talk about our stories, our history, through music, and I hope that it'll reach the next generation and they'll be able to embrace their culture and identity. And so, especially doing it in the Hmong language, I feel like it's a way for young people to learn, embrace their language while still being cool with hip hop. And so, we're gonna hit that next beat. And DJ Dan, we're gonna do one more. We're gonna skip one more time. Oh yeah, one more. Yeah. That beat was too intense for this event. All right. And so, do the next one. Yeah. It is a good beat. Okay. So, I'm gonna do this one song and this poem, and then I'm gonna do one more song. Yeah. All right. Generation after generation, we've been born by elders, lost in what is, who we are. HUSA take the thoughts of J by name, these are young people name, HUSA come on you, they get loose now, don't come get there. The melodic symbolic words vibrate through us internally, verbally crushing our senses, bursting to multiple tears felt from our own life years. We call this Lucia. Divine dimensions of eternal stories, piercing the thorns throughout our times. Linear drip down puddles of endless emotions on the clock we call Banga. Usaka, yo chode te meng yam go tai chi. This like a new yi toro be, the better name, while one to show do. Usha no, toro bu. Our roots are deep underground, the lands we're forced out of. We grow together with seeds closer to the surface and breathe in this new land. Don't ever forget where you came from. You'll be up until the higher. That's it. So, St. Thomas, I really appreciate y'all for having me here. So, I just need your help for this. When I say St. Thomas, you're gonna say rock rock on. Is that cool? Okay. Ready? St. Thomas. A little bit louder. St. Thomas. Hmong New Year. Yeah. Say it again. Sorry, the instructions were incomplete. Okay, so Hmong New Year, rock on. Okay. Hmong New Year. St. Thomas. Okay, we're gonna hit that beat. Shit energy, drip sinking to the paper. Mindset to get down around Frogtown. Grew up with concrete streets. East side, sidewalks falling, wall to wall. Never been took in. North Minneapolis, cruise to Brooklyn. Parker Center, drop to winter. Sinners, winners, beg forgiveness. Boogie south side to uptown vibes. West side, St. Paul, Wellstone resides. Traffic backed up, cops corrupted. Bless the truck up, so disrupted. Cracking up, that's what's up, cuss. Don't trust us to bust factions. We got back tattoo dragons here. St. Thomas. Hmong New Year. St. Thomas. Hmong New Year. I speak for the weak at the peak of my energy to seek motivation for underdogs to rise. Rap lottery gotta be the hot ticket clock's ticking on trends, spreading like disease. Can we cut that? No hospital poetry was the antidote. This is our tradition that we chose not to diss. This is our tradition of words to reminisce. This is our religion of words we be living over. A poor man's version of a rich man's New Year. This is me, the traditional method. The being of the community that we unify to see you and me. Because we seek a future of identity. Thank you. So this last poem, yeah. So give it up for DJ Bang. Yeah, DJ been something that has been a symbol of many different things in America, but for the Hmong people, blackbirds have been this underground movement that has been really important in helping the Hmong people survive in the jungles of Laos, and they've been the ones that have been giving a lot of documentation, food, medicine, and so this is my dedication to the blackbirds, and so this is my last poem. So we're gonna hit that. Can you make it a little bit lower too? Have you ever heard of the blackbirds? Have you? Have you ever heard of the blackbirds? Have they ever flown into your dreams? Have you ever rode on the wings of a blackbird? Have you ever heard a blackbird sing? Have you ever chased a blackbird on top of tragic mountains? Have you ever swam with them across the Mekong River? Have you ever heard a blackbird scream in silence for the voices of sorrow? Have you ever seen a blackbird? It's like trying to find facts with a mission. Blackbird wings are bulletproof. The soaring sacrifice rises for the truth. Wrap your wings around them and eclipse their spirits. Take flight until our people are found. Blackbirds don't fly across skies, they only soar underground. They fly inside two slanted brown planets of Hmong children with colored clothes and gunpowder scars on each arm. The blackbird bring foods and the sweet taste of hope and medicine to heal our history struggle. Document the truth and expose it to the world. The words secret armies engraved on tombstones on top of stars since 1975. You can still see them in the sky, and America still denies genocide. Innocent blood spills across Balao story cloth, carried off by claws of blackbird with broken wings, camouflaged by the night. These warriors with wings are shadows of angels within the rainforest. Blackbird wings are bulletproof. The solemn sacrifice rises for the truth. Wrap around the wings and eclipse their spirits. Take flight until our people are found. Blackbirds don't fly across skies, they only soar underground. We appreciate every day that our blackbird survives. They live within our hearts, and we hope for the day they fly back to us alive. Thank you. Yeah, thank you, and I just wanted to say that there is with that film, there is this return trip, and I did want to say that I would hope to return and have more lyrics for the Hmong people that live in villages, and it's really cool. This last thing I want to share is, you know that thing? I said everybody clap like this. Yeah, when I did that in Thailand, like like that. They were like, and I was like, okay, chaos. But I realized that we grew up in America and they grew up in a different place. And we live on different rhythms, but we still are on the same song, okay? So don't forget about our people that live in other countries. And the other thing is, you know, I really like how y'all did the call and response. Like when I say Diete, you say Conte. Diete is across the world, Conte is bring together. When I did that in Thailand, I said, when I say Diete, you say Conte. And then I put the mic up to them like this. And then they were like, I was like, come on. And so, anyways, it was a good experience. And I guess my point is I want to encourage y'all for me to, and all of you to find a way to still connect us as a people, and don't look down on our people that are still living in Southeast Asia, because that was us, that was our family, that's still our family, that was our parents and grandparents, and so we need to reach out to them too. Okay, so thank you for y'all.